Can you see yourself in the 2019 Nissan Titan? With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an all-powerful Nissan Titan, the full-size pickup that's refined on the inside and rugged on the outside. Connected tech, potent towing, beefy payload capacity, and driver assist safety features let you tackle every challenge with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, seat memory, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.